Adele McNab, an architect, dreamed of a home that embodied her connection with nature and her growing family. Riley's Terrace, named after her son, wasn't just a project, it was a labor of love. The narrow, 3-meter-wide site in Sydney's Redfern presented a challenge, but instead of limitations, McNab saw possibilities. Drawing inspiration from the terrace typology of the area, McNab crafted a home that respected its heritage while pushing boundaries. The existing structure became a canvas for her vision. McNab, now wearing the hat of both architect and client, poured her intimate knowledge of the space and the neighborhood into the design. This wasn't just a house, it was a canvas for her life. At the heart of Riley's Terrace lies a central courtyard, an ingenious solution to multiple needs. This open space flooded the previously cramped layout with natural light and fresh air. Uncovered to the elements, it served as a constant reminder of the natural world while visually connecting the front and back portions of the home. The internal courtyard became the lungs of the house, breathing life into the space. Three core principles guided the design. The first was maximizing natural light, a crucial element for any heritage adaptation. The open courtyard played a starring role here, but McNab also strategically placed windows and skylights to bathe the interior in sunshine. Second, efficiency was paramount. Custom joinery seamlessly integrated into the design, providing clever storage solutions and streamlining daily routines. An additional building at the back, dubbed the Laneway Building, expanded the home's footprint and provided a dedicated space for interacting with the outdoors. Finally, Riley's Terrace fostered a sense of community. The warm timber facade welcomed the outside in, encouraging interaction with neighbors. The years McNab had spent living on the terrace fueled her desire to create a home that wasn't just beautiful but also connected. The new design embraced a sense of openness, both literally and figuratively. Riley's Terrace wasn't just a home, it was a bridge, connecting the McNab family to nature, their future, and the heart of their community. So, that's Riley's Terrace. A testament to the power of thoughtful design and embracing limitations. If you're dreaming of transforming your own home, remember, a little creativity and a deep connection to your space can go a long way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring architecture videos.